Welcome back to my channel. I sound like arrogant. We're opening 3 things very random. They're not even the same. So first we've got this thing from Mecca. It's just a bunch of skincare stuff. I just thought I should there's Glow Recipe.
Recipe.
There's Juicy Gel. There's I don't know what that is. And then there's this. I also don't know what it is.
So what else? What else have you got?
What is that?
Actually, I have no idea. Weird.
Okay, let's just put it back.
Anti-wrinkle cream.
Anti-wrinkle cream.
All right.
Just gonna put that. We've got a Nomi. I just went to High Point today. Sorry. Big. Yeah. Ow. I've already got this dragon one. I really hope I don't get double because then I have to give it to my sister. So, yeah.
Oh. Doesn't it have the tab that you...
Okay, just... let's open it.
Which one do you think you've got? You've got to say.
I feel like
And then I guess.
I actually feel like
You
I
could have
got
put it
this
down
one
here,
or
yeah,
this
so your
one.
face.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I say what I think it is?
What do you think it is?
Oh.
Oh my god, it's a double.
What? Oh.
I'm so disappointed.
Leave it, and we can swap it online.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. And then we've got this dumpling thing. Now, I don't know which colour I got. It's a mystery.
What colour do you think
I
you
got
got?
green.
Oh my god, I wanted the pink sparkly one, but the green's pretty too.
This one's very squishy.
Very good. All right.
It's green like toxic and it smells like toxic. And that's all for today. I'm going to make a few more videos. But yeah, this thing is so soft and oozy.
This was sent from Dr. Squish. It smells like chemicals.
Yeah.
Don't touch it.
We'll wash that first.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.